how to drop the items in Roblox. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can drop the items in Roblox. So start by opening your Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, make sure you have installed and updated the Roblox to the latest version. Let's update it again, and after updating you can simply open your Roblox and start to play it. After opening your Roblox, you need to make sure that you have signed into your account from Roblox here. Now if you're playing any game and you want to drop something out of your hand in Roblox, then how you can do it is select the item that you wish to drop from your hotbar, use the number of keys or scroll your mouse if you're using a PC. If not, then you will just need to tap on the cross icon. So you'll just need to tap on this icon to drop the things on your hand if you are using Roblox from mobile phone. So that's how you can drop anything, any item on your hand from the Roblox. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please do thumbs up and subscribe this channel, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.